Nakonde District Commissioner Sikapizye has stated that no uncleared vehicles should be found on the road by 1st January 2023. Mr. Sikapizye says about 69 taxis are currently known to be operating without registration and around 46 registered bikes out of 3,600. More than 2,000 riders have gotten their licenses, according to the data published by Nakonde Combined Business Association. Mr. Sikapizye further says no one will change the dates unless the government comes up with another plan, but that people are given a lot of time to have their motorbikes registered and riders to have licenses. However, the owners of motorbikes have appealed to extend the registration dates period.
tafiweme bafu batongesha kofi amadezi pandu monene efi amaonda imisebo yaliona ike imisebo eno nombanga banda tama maonda tatusanga hapo na ngochimo
barandire chibati barufya sana pakutubika pagani point cause ngamamona imisebo shaliona ika amaonda yona ikachira bushuku mukuwamisha ichirenga tatukwatapo ama profit yali yonse because at least watupele kwa kashitaka nono.
Commenting on the same matter, Zambian reggae musician Maiko Zulu says Nakonde should be looking better than the capital Lusaka because it's responsible for a large part of the economy.
It's responsible for a larger part of the economy, and I think where the money comes from, we must see where the money comes from. Even the people, where the money comes from, they should, be living better.
Mr. Zulu further says people of Nakonde should begin to see the benefits of paying tax.
They should be having better roads because why make the money and transport it to other parts of the country when the locals are not benefiting? So we need the people in Nakonde to begin to see the benefits of paying tax. If you've seen, I think, I know there are issues of the registration of motorbikes, for example. The people need to begin to benefit. Otherwise, there is no need to pay tax.
Mr. Zulu has been invited to the border town by local activists to discuss how civil society organization can contribute effectively to national development. Richard Simbaya reporting from Nakonde, Muchinga province.